Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add signature line in your Word document. This option is very useful when you need signing your contract application and any other type of formal documentation. Let's get started. First of all, you need to click on Insert tab and in the group text click on Signature Line and new window will appear. This window has three text boxes. In the first text box we will enter John Doe. Okay, in the next text box we will enter manager, for example, and in the last text box we will enter, for example, john11 at gmail.com, and that's it. Now we can click on OK, and at the end of document we can see signature line. Okay, if you set your signature line on the right side, you can do it very easy. Go to Home tab and click on Align Right, and that's it. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. See you.